Hey, what's going on, pickers? So today we got a CL from Jason Carlson, number 36, called Pinned. And it's got a couple highs, a couple lows, and one really high in the back. Let's see if we can't get into it, bust her up, and gut her down. Come on now. Okay. So we're going to start in the front. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. There was a little something, I think. There. Oh, that was crunchy. I think I might have went it too far, too. We'll see. Ooh, I hear some shit flying around in there. There we go. I can feel some shit going on there. And core movement there. Huh. I don't know if you can hear in the back. Got some fish picks going on. Talking about frustration and picking ability. Ooh, there we go. He's right, man. A lot of people walk away from this when they get to a point where they think they can't progress. And I'll be damned if I don't know, or if I know how it feels to get in a slump. You just gotta work through it. And I think that this is something that you gotta do a lot, or I think it is something that you can probably lose, or your skills fade away, I guess would be the right thing. Right way to put it. There we go. A little more core movement. There. And we have it open. All right, people. That was much fun. So now, with great pleasure, we're going to gut this baby. Nice and easy. So I can show you what we was dealing with in there. And in case you're wondering, this is a Bobby Keys hand holder. Bobby Keys, or Mr. Peabody, makes these and sells them. They're great. I love it. I couldn't be happier. uh, actually had one of these break, which was a fluke, because this thing has been nice and solid for me so far. But he was kind enough to make me two more and send them out to me. Didn't charge me anything. I really fucking appreciate that. He guarantees his work. Oh, and I just took that lock off camera. Well, I don't know. If you guys don't believe me, I don't know what to say. Anyway. Oh, shit. That's funny. Okay, let's get the clip off here. Let me get my tool. I guess I could lock it back up and pick it again, but I'd like to get the gutting on and move on to another. Let's see, that ain't gonna hold it. This don't hold it neither. Oh shit. That was stupid of me. There we go. Okay, anyway, sorry guys. Spacing out there. To get this damn thing off here. I'm gonna have to get better tools. Oh, I see. Holy cow. Holy shit! The fuck do we get this thing off? Let's get the key in this bastard. Well, I'm going to close it back up. Get the key in there, turn it. There we go. Use the key to apply a little, or to hold it, to apply a little pressure. And there we go. Holy shit, that just shot across my room. Oh, fuck. That was hilarious. Why in the fuck did I do that for? Okay, I will find that here in a few minutes. I know which direction it went. Oh, shit. Shit. Sorry, guys. I'm just fucking up all over the place today. Okay, well, we're not going to fuck this gut up, that's for sure. So, let's put the shim in. Okay. Put the shim in. Oh, I guess I gotta get my bag. I'm just not situated for this at all, am I? Oh, am I getting this on camera here? Okay, so we got a 5-pinner here, and I guess I'm gonna have to raise this up so you guys can see. Sorry about the shakiness of my camera, guys. Alright, so we'll start out with pin 1. Pin 2. Oh, he's done some good work here. And 3. 4. And 5. Let me get my tweezers here. Straighten them out. So, he's done some good work to this. Threaded all the, looks like he threaded all of them. And did an underbite or milled a couple of them. Threaded 1, 2, 3 of them and milled under the lip of 3 of them. Well, I don't know. I guess threaded. Anyway, it's got some good work there. So let's move on to. Got some good core work. Let's move on to the Bible. He has some really nice pin work here. Let me turn this pin around the right way. Oh, come on. That spring is up in there, so. All right, people. See if he did any threading in here. I think he did. Oh no, that's smooth. No, no Bible work. Okay. So, we will give a good zoom down here. So he's got some really nice pins, did some really nice pin work here. And I think he did some good core threading. Well, guys, that's it for, let's see, one more time. Pinned by Jason Carlson is number 36. Here's the biting on it. It was a joy. I'm going to get this baby back together and go and find that goddamn clip. Alright. Like, share, comment. Sadistic Pickers out.